Eatery. This is a cluster double in Kahlert. I am Makenna, and here's our room. So first I'll start showing off. I don't have a desk because I prefer going other places other than the room. So this is our little area over here. We have some of our kitchen stuff we use in the other kitchen out there. These are our fridges. We stack them to make more room. Just have some fun things that we have. We have a nice mirror. This is our couch, super comfy for when we have people over. It reclines too, so people can sleep in here. These are our closets. This is our little dress rack. We have lots of clothes. And then we have our shoe rack too. We obviously have plenty of shoes, some purses, some other stuff. This is my side. I just have a little loft area for, you know, my bed's lofted, so I need a little desk side. I have my calendar up there. This is some of my other stuff. This is like where I get ready. This is some books, some little Polaroids. I have this little area, there's my laundry, and then my beanbag chair. There's the pretty mountains. And then this is my roommate's side. She has some books. We have our humidifier. This is her side. She has some cute jewelry over here. She's very decorative, has it all decked out. Thanks for touring our room, guys.